brush it off.
Deep breath.
You can use that. You see, normally they only go on the dark colors, top of the dark colors. They don't go under the. They can go over at other colors. So it's only good for darker colors. Okay. You're not having a heart attack.
She did.
She was.
Connie had
Because I didn't know you were
No.
pouring it on there.
You see what
Oh,
is
yeah,
the
look at what
this
it
is
does.
this is the
And the
result.
granulation,
Mhm.
yes.
Yeah, this is the
Wow.
result. Now, this is only on the green colors, the mineral or the stone green. Now, I will advise you to let them dry. You do the same thing again over at other colors, like blue, like white, like red, any. If you do not want it to wait, what you can do is please do not put too much water into your color like you just did. I did this I created mistake to show you the difference. Okay? Otherwise you will never know what you have done wrong now.
Oh, yeah, if you think that's too much, can you just take a piece of toweling and wipe up a lot of it and leave some of that on there?
Sure.
Good.
But then it's not that rich anymore.
No, that's true. The richer parts won't be that rich.
Yep. So you have your choice.
Yeah.
Now sometimes I leave
Yes. That's
for the edge of the leaf,
right.
That's cool.
the bug holes.
Yeah.
box.
Bug holes on the leaf. They've eaten it.
Or the center of the
Yeah.
leaf.
Aquarius is beautiful. Okay, and then I'm working on this colors right now. Okay. Get ready.
Be prepared.
Brace yourself.
Thank you.
And these are acrylics.
This is acrylic. You can now. I don't use watercolor. Okay. If you now rich, you use stone green.
Yeah.
You know
Real
how
stone
many
green.
packs you need?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
About 4.
No,
No. 10?
much more.
Yeah.
Because the packets are little.
Little.
They're just little fold papers.
You have seen it yesterday.
So that emerald green there is like.
And if you that much, it's at least 20.
Oh my word.
Expand place of stone green.
So we're using
Yeah.
expensive
We-
But
colors.
So we're using
still
poster
watercolor.
Pentel if we can get it.
Post-water
Yes.
medium.
It's a water
Yes.
medium.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now,
Acrylic is
you could
water
buy
medium.
Pelican. Pelican do have
Pelican is
Pelican
it,
has
is,
it.
yeah.
that's that.
But the green is that's
Now you can also buy cerulean blue mixed with cobalt blue.
Cerulean is blue too.
Yes.
Beautiful blue.
Yes.
Yeah. And then what you do is
if that dries, you can do a can of
you mix with
That's it.
acrylic, and then will save you some money on
Powdered stuff.
yeah. But the acrylic is not cheap anymore.
No, but nothing is. I mean, watercolors are not cheap anymore. A little tube can cost you $16. Tube that big.
We should murder those people. Yeah.
And the corporate airline people too.
murder them all while we're at it.
Yeah.
So you're saying you can mix the poster and the acrylic if you wish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
drip and pour. Bob, see how thick the acrylic is?
Yes.
And so if you leave it in the air at all, it is just gonna dry into a hard mass.
Just like that.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Exactly.
Along- but you can thin it way down.
if I have a palette knife, that will be,
Scrape it out.
yeah, this brush is just messy.
Well, you said this was messy anyway, so. Use it all.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, nice pattern.
You eating chocolate?
No.
Cough drop.
Drop.
Yeah,
Don't
this one's
cough,
fine.
interrupt you.
And then spray.
The dark chocolates are good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to mix up the. Now you see, at this here, I don't use that much water. You realize that because otherwise, I mean, and then if
You're
I
doing
want to
it that way.
spray,
Yeah.
and then there's going to be a lot of water. So go experiment it, okay? Now this is, I'm showing you right here, it's just the technique. I haven't talked about the composition or the design, we're just showing you technique, all right? Now if you have a hair dryers, you can use the hair dryers to blow them as well, okay? Or you can can blow it yourself.
Faint.
Right.
And then you pass out.
And pass out, yeah.
Face down and you're glued.
In your
to
glue,
head.
yeah.
See, that's how you do. Now, the two colors mixed together is beautiful.
Yeah, they are. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Now you do need a hair dryer.
Ooh, I love to watch paint run.
It's as good as the sunset.
Oh,
See, you can see the papers already.
Yeah, bubbling
Yeah.
a little.
So, if it happened like this, what you have to do is you wait until they dry. The colors they're dry, then you spray in that particular area, and then you use another piece of papers, and then
Yeah.
that will help. Okay. Now, also, if you notice, if you're gonna do this kind of work, then don't mix with too much water. Okay. Any things you want to ask me?
Well, when it's perfectly dry, then you can paint in your lotus.
You go too fast.
be in the moment.
That's our big problem here.
Well,
I know.
No,
Yeah.
we don't wait until they dry.
Oh, you don't wait till it dries.
No.
Okay, well, see, that's why I asked the
That's
question.
right, it was a good question.
You cannot let them dry if you want to paint lotus.
Okay,
Okay. Because
So you need to plan your day.
you certainly do.
we need the green, the blue colors, okay, before they completely dry. But then it's about 90% dry.
Mm.
It has a little wetness in those paint and then when you paint, after you paint the lotus, and you need to use hand or you brush to use part of the blue or the green to merge. Yeah, yeah, like this. But with the lotus, but they're so. See, this is what I like cobalt blue, because that blues are really nice.
It's a beautiful blue.
It's very close to stone blue, but it's much sweeter. I like that. And sometimes, if you don't like this, then you could use your brush
Brush it out.
and then
Tip it again all the way. Slowly.
So you don't have a glob of
Oh,
color.
glob of paint.
Yeah.
see, I make holes already.
Oh.
Luckily, the paper will fuse. You can mush it together.
Well,
Color it.
especially using
Color it with-
acrylics.
yeah,
The acrylic
Col-
is even.
just color it.
Now you can add white. You can add as many color, but plan.
I was gonna say, think where you're gonna put it.
Now, just sometime when you do this, you say, no, I'm not gonna paint lotus. I'm gonna paint landscape.
Yeah.
So you just play with it and go along with it, and then maybe you just let them sit there. You do something else the next day. You never know. Like the books that I showed you yesterday.
But you can't do it the next day because it'll all be dry. So you got to do it while it's still damp.
That's right. You said plan your day.
When
We also
you
do
want to
some-
do something else the next day, then you don't do the same subject anymore.
Yeah, and do something
Yeah.
different.
Yeah, because you already decide to do something different. Otherwise, if you do the same subject, you will continue.